Oh, what's that? Oh, that's my hair. Welcome. It's, well, Friday. My God, where did that week go? It went somewhere over there. Oh, that's always good when it does that. Friday the 9th of August. And, what's this all on screen? Yes, the dev team now have my last effort. So I'm going to do a new effort. Title RPG 001. By Bladez. Few ideas on the screen, really, isn't there? Languages. Well, we got IDEs. IDEs, yeah. Why has that just suddenly changed? IDE. Because I've been using code for a bit, haven't I? So, I don't know. Never sure. Some ideas of what I will be doing next. So, oh, Python. Could do something in Python. Could do it in Qt Quick, QML, Java. Wonder what Vulkan's like outside of Qt. Yeah, that is a K. Right. Well, I think that's any ideas. It's going to be anything goes, really. Yeah, literally anything goes next week. Think I'll be steering away from the graphics and going text for this to start off with. Yeah, I've got an idea for that. Like we could do an arena. Gladiator. Could be anything really. Or 1v1 anyway. Yeah, I could start with something like 1v1 and progress. Toward team. There's that kind of idea. Let's see what else I can think of. Western. Fistful of gold. I've got to be careful what I say there. What else have we got? I mean, I'm not very akin to doing a dungeon crawl, but dungeon? I'll call it a thing, because I'm not allowed to call it much else, because they've all been copyrighted by now. Anything that comes after the word dungeon has probably been copyrighted. What else can we have? I like the gladiator idea. I actually started I actually have the prequel to that, and it's actually in my head. Wow. Plenty of ideas here. Tons of stuff. Most of it I haven't used before. Quite a bit I've used. So I haven't used that before. Never touched it. Not touched Vulcan. Did I do 1 QML? Not really sure. It's not my forte. So obviously I've never done that before. Not done Rust yet. I know the basics of those two. So yeah, Java, C#, F#, OpenGL, yeah, Qt, OpenGL, OpenGL by itself. So yeah, Western. Yeah, I do have a rule set for that. That's Colt 45 era, isn't it? Text with that, yeah. So now to use that. I will use other IDEs if anybody wants me to, or I can just use Notepad. I don't really care what I use. And this is the main thing with this, because it's an R&D. Otherwise I'm not allowed to do it. I mean, with just what's on screen, I could put so much together, it's untrue. Oh god. Missed off a few more here, haven't I? XML. Lua. Anything coming in from the side? No? Okay. Well, it looks as though it's going to surprise us all, whatever I do. It's going to surprise me. yeah. Initially. I'm even thinking maybe introducing something like a deck of cards. Maybe. There's an idea in there somewhere. I mean, there's a few games knocking around like that. What else have we got? We've got tons of stuff in here now. Absolutely tons. Wow. Chat. I want to do chat. That tends to always bring me towards QT here. Which means I'd drop SFML straight away. Or would I? Don't have to. I think if we were to do this, like 1v1 towards teams with chat, I think I could go partial QT. But then would that tie me down to their license? If I didn't alter their code, it wouldn't. Very interesting stuff. So, what does this all mean? Dunno. I'm going to write a game. I've written an MMO. It only took 28 days, so let's go and write a game. Crimes. All I said was, oh dear, it went 3D, and they whipped all of the code off me in seconds. Downloaded it all off the servers. My God. You did what? Yeah. So I've now got them lot puzzling about how the hell I did it. Interesting. I'm liking this idea. But roguelike. I.e. death is permanent. Unless you've got a family tree, that is. I always say roguelike because I don't... I mean, inheritance can come in there, Gladiator always takes me Greek. I don't know why it takes me Greek. But if you combine that with that... that becomes more modern. That becomes tech level 4. 5. 4 is the invention of gunpowder, 5 is the proper use of it. So 5 would be up to, well, the Western and, well, 1800s. That'd be tech level 5, 1800s. This would be tech level 3, bordering on 4. That kind of idea definitely is tech level 3. So I've got 3 to 3, 4, 5. Got nothing modern in there. A lot of things have gone modern now, but it's all around fighting where this doesn't have to be. I mean, it can be centered around the gladiator arenas, but it doesn't have to be inside them. Doesn't mean you have to take the role of a gladiator, does it? This one here is easiest to set up. It's just one person, one dungeon, one thing to do. Yeah. Go explore. This one here, possibly very flexible. And this one here is, well, circular. It expands in concentric circles out into politics. I like that one. I also like that one. But that's the easiest to do. Could do RPG 001, the dungeon thing. Or things in the dungeon. Oh, God help me. Oof. This is the interesting thing about my brain. It can go anywhere. Absolutely at any one time and do anything it wants. Which is why I suppose I'm sat here doing this. Hardest one to do would be a city. Involves NPCs, chatbots. They're not actually too bad to do, chatbots, if I remember rightly. Right, IDE. got Qt or code. Oh, that reminds me, I needed to look that up, didn't I? Whoops, I forgot to look something up. I did a little experiment last night. An interesting little experiment. And it was all to do with the size of files being produced by different IDEs. I tested Eclipse, Microsoft Code, and Qt. Let's just have a look. There we go, yeah, 23 kilobytes. So in Qt Creator, that would be 233 kilobytes. And in Eclipse, wait for it, 1 megabyte. Yes, you heard me right. 1,000 kilobytes. 1,200 and something kilobytes. How does that work? Because 23.1 is the correct number. Where am I? I'm in an exe, aren't I? So if I was to do /exec/ I'll give you capitals down to RPG. This is just me messing around, I think. Yeah, it is. Having a look at... That's an OpenGL window, by the way. Hello world for text. Drawing shapes. This is all using... Oh, there's no aspect ratio on it. Oh, that's bad of me. Forgot the aspect ratio. But this is all just me messing around. Yeah, it works alright, that. So that system works, but that's 23, so that's actually pretty good, that one. It's not the lowest, but it's on par with GLFW. That's SFML, that one that you just seen. So yeah. I think we just go where it flows and takes us. Yeah. Okay. I think I can go with that. So Monday it'll be, won't it? Yay. So Monday. How much time have I got left here? Oh, right. Monday. Oops. Put back in pen mode. Will be day one. Day one. Of RPG. And it was 001, wasn't it? 001. Okay. I think we can set that up quite easily. As long as if somebody comes up with something, let me know in the chat below or whatever. If you want something doing specific, I'm very happy to do things that are specific. If you want me to show you anything, So let's rename this. I can't. Doesn't matter. What do we got in here? Oh yeah, tons of stuff. Oh, we've got some resources at least now. Alrighty. Yeah, that's okay. Got RPG, yeah. Source, fonts, OPJ. We've got textures, fonts, yeah. SFML graphics and OpenGL available. Just on that little lot. Me messing around with text. And then setting up a 3.3 window, which it doesn't do. It does a 4.5, which is typical. I think I have to set it to core, but I don't know if it will or not. Oh well. Window called RPG, style default, and then it's context, isn't it? Enable the synchronization and set it to active. Yeah, it works. And have I cleared them or not? Yeah, I have. Only thing I've really missed there is the clear colour. I think. Actually, no, I shouldn't really do it there, should I? GL clear color. And that is 0. I'm going to go 09 here. F, comma, 0.0. F, comma, 0.02 F, comma. What happens if I put 0.5 F in here? What if that'd work? Interesting idea. Let's have a look. No harm in trying, is there? Semicolon U out. There we go. Lovely. Alrighty. Looking good already. Easy programming rubbish. Here we go. No, but that's fine. Yeah, 4.5 compatibility profile. That's fine. Okay, everything's fine there. Oh, just some interesting stuff in that lot. Yeah, I think I can work with this. That's main. Don't need you open. You open or you open. I will have source. What kinds of things shall we have? I'm not too certain about it this time. I'm a bit more wary on about how to structure this kind of thing. Because if you're to follow standard protocols, you will go with main, which we could probably call your loop. We're going to cut down on things anyway. The main loop would drive the game. Okay. That would have state. One, two, three. What else would we have on it? Player. We must have a player. Yeah, player. Then you would have rules. Which affect things. And that would be your data, wouldn't it? Well, your data is a puddle in the middle. No, that's your data there. Right, so your data is here. Alright. That makes sense. Is that gonna work? On a simplistic level, very much so, yes. Under rules, you need what? Oh, let's fill some of this in. Skills. Bonuses. Items, equipment. Inventory. And I suppose. It's part of the inventory system. Player has stats. Whatever's held down here for you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can write that. So state attack range, just attack, defend, stance maybe. I'm not sure. I is not sure with this one at all. I've got something interesting for inventory, equipment, bonuses and skills. Yeah, let's just think about that one for a second whilst I'm going through all of this thought process. Tool. T-O-O. Yeah, I don't mean it as a nasty word. Tools. This is why I was thinking card. Tools, that you equip to use a skill. Bonus 0 2 plus 3. Icon to press or activate. And then there will be, what do you call the non-activating ones? Well, they're just like permanent bonuses, aren't they? Passive, that's it. Or passive. Okay. I think I can go with that. Because that gets inventory, equipment and bonuses all in one. So it would just be equipment. Okay. Right, that's just clinked in my head somewhere. Something's just fallen into place. Yeah. I think I can play around with this. Can I make anything of it? R&D wise. I think we might just be able to upset the apple cart. Just a little. They will need types. So the tools will include the rule. Equip tools. Yeah. What will happen there is that this will generate a set of rules. For that character. Interesting thoughts. I like game development. I think it's a wonderful freedom. Yeah, what we could do then. We would basically be generating so that would be 2 spreadsheets. SPREAD. One would be the current equipped. And the second would be available available to add. Ooh. Or swap in, out. Yeah, I'm beginning to like this, like a tool card idea. Going back down here. For each tool you can create a card with its own rules on. Well, no, equipped tools would activate what you can swap in and out. Yeah. So that links up. Yeah, I think we've got something going here. It's going to start fading out if I'm not careful. Alrighty. Excellent. It all works around slots, which is why I'm thinking like a deck of cards. But that's not gelled yet. The slots has. I can see the slots. I can't see a deck of cards. I don't think that's a mechanic that would work. I think the tools that you can equip or buy or find or whatever should be enough. I don't think you need an extra layer of abstraction there to like use a deck of cards and how many cards you're using. Although that abstraction is still within my mind. But I don't want those limits. Okay. Rewards. Gold. Or dollar, I don't know. XP. as the normal kind of things. Use to purchase. Skills and stats. Not get rid of any limits. No levels required. Do you think anybody missed that? I don't think anybody. I refuse to have a level system. It's artificial. It's divisive, and people should be confident with their character within a game, rather than be always seeking to gain the next level, and the only thing that matters is the next level, because that's all that happens. And then when they get to the top level, what happens? The game programmer turns around and just adds more levels. Pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. I've been down that road once too often. And I think that's really going to bring me to the end of my thoughts for today. I think there's enough information here for me to get something started on Monday. Yeah, okay. I think we've got a chance. Righty-o. Save. Yeah. I like this because I only need one page now. It just keeps going. Look. Just keeps going and going and going and going and going. Don't know where it goes to, but it just keeps going. That's my own little adventure. Can I find the end of the page? Probably not. No, I definitely can't miss that. And yeah, that'll do, man. That'll do. Lovely. Save changes, yes. So, what I've got at the moment is me just testing stuff out. Making sure that I've got text. Even on an OpenGL screen, because we can just push the OpenGL states out of the way and then pop them back again. And we can draw shapes and text and stuff in between. So it's pretty easy stuff. Pretty easy stuff. But if you do have any ideas, or you want me to go in a completely different direction and do something completely different, just say. I am more than happy to go down a different route altogether. I mean, this doesn't really do anything, but I mean, yeah, me messing around with text. Yeah, okay. Hope this gives somebody some ideas, maybe for a game or to do with their own. It's perfectly up to you. Feel free to take any of the ideas that I've just presented and go forth and make a game and sell millions and become rich. Why not? I certainly don't want to. So, in the meantime, Any ideas you wanna throw at me, or say why don't we have a go at doing some Vulkan, or change the language on me completely? You want to learn a different language? You're fed up with C++, you're finding it a bit difficult or whatever. Even if you're not finding it a bit difficult, or you're finding it too easy, whatever. If you want to try something different, let me know. I'm game for a laugh. I'm game for anything. I'll try absolutely anything out. Even if it's doing like table tennis in Rust. I don't care. So, in the meantime, as we head into the weekend once more, I'd like you all to keep exploring your variation of programming, and just keep one thing in the back of your mind. Always, always, always have fun.